Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your dropshipping strategy with Spocket detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your dropshipping strategy with Spocket, begin by signing up for an account on their website. Once registered, log into your Spocket dashboard. Explore the product catalog to familiarize yourself with available items. Filter products by location to find suppliers based in the US or Europe for faster shipping. Select categories that align with your niche to target your audience effectively. Add products to your favorites for easy access later. Next, review supplier ratings and customer feedback to choose reliable partners. Integrate Spocket with your e-commerce platform for seamless functionality. Set competitive pricing by analyzing market trends and competitor prices. Create compelling product descriptions that highlight unique selling points. Focus on high-quality images to enhance the visual appeal of your listings. Use the bulk order feature to streamline the order processing for multiple items. Implement Spocket's inventory management tools to keep track of stock levels. Utilize the order tracking system to provide customers with real-time updates. Promote your products through targeted marketing campaigns on social media. Leverage content marketing by creating blog posts that drive traffic to your store. Monitor performance metrics like conversion rates and sales to refine your approach. Continuously experiment with different strategies to identify what works best. Engage with your customers to build loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Keep up with industry trends to stay competitive in the dropshipping market. Evaluate your suppliers and product offerings regularly to ensure quality and relevance. By following these steps, you can successfully enhance your dropshipping strategy using Spocket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.